chai, everyone. Welcome to Masala Tea Spill.
Okay, guys, today's story is not just about a breakup. It's about a relationship that lasted for many, many years. A relationship that people once called perfect, but now people are confused. People are asking one question again and again. Did Nagma Mirashkar and Awais Darbar break up? Because suddenly everything has become very quiet. No posts together, no birthday wishes, no appearances together. And when something changes so suddenly, people start noticing. So today, let's slowly understand this whole story from the beginning to what is happening right now. So first, let's go back in time. Nagma and Awais are not a new couple. They have known each other for almost 8 to 10 years. That is a very long time. Think about it. If you talk to someone every day for years, you share your life with them, your happy days, your sad days, that person becomes very important to you. That person becomes your habit. And that is what people felt about them. They grew together from social media videos to becoming famous influencers. They made content together. They laughed together. They supported each other to the outside world. They looked like a strong couple. Even when they came on Big Boss 19, people saw them as a real couple. Awais even proposed to Nagma on the show. It was a big moment, very emotional, very filmy. At that time, many people thought, okay, this is it, they will get married soon. But real life is not always like what we see online. Slowly, people started noticing small things. Some people online started saying, maybe everything is not perfect. There were talks, there were rumors. Some people said that their relationship was not always stable, that sometimes they were together and sometimes they were not. Like an on off relationship, some people also talked about Awais talking to other girls or behaving in a way that did not feel right. But listen carefully, these are not confirmed facts. These are just things people talked about online. We don't know the full truth, only they know what really happened. But still, even if we ignore rumors, one thing people noticed again and again, there were ups and there were downs. The relationship was not always smooth. And when a relationship goes on for many years like this, something happens. You don't just stay because of love, you also stay because you're used to that person. Because leaving becomes very difficult. Now let's talk about the present. This is where everything becomes interesting and confusing. People noticed earlier they used to post together a lot. Stories, reels, comments, something was always there. But recently, that stopped. No post together, no interaction. At first, people ignored it because sometimes people get busy, sometimes they choose privacy. Then came something important. Awais' birthday on the 16th of March. There was a big celebration. Friends were there, family was there, many known faces were there. Videos came online, everything looked normal. Except one thing, Nagma was not there. And not just that, she did not post anything for his birthday. No story, no post. Nothing. Now think about it. If you are in a long relationship, would you forget your partner's birthday? Would you not even post a simple wish? This is where people started feeling something is not right. Then people started connecting more dots. They remembered at some recent events, they came separately. At a birthday party of a friend, they arrived separately. Even at family functions, they were not seen together much. People also noticed that Nagma was seen at the airport that same day, so she was not out of the country, which made people more confused. Then Awais posted a video. In that video, he said something like, I thought I would be alone on my birthday, but my friends and family did not let that happen. And then he added, for those who could not come, it's okay. I understand. Now this message is very normal, but at the same time, people felt like, is he indirectly talking about Nagma? Now the internet is full of opinions. Some people are saying, yes, this looks like a breakup. Some are saying, no, it is just a phase. And some people are saying, social media is not real life. Just because we don't see something does not mean it is not happening. On platforms like Reddit, people are asking questions like, are they still together? Why do they feel so distant? Is this relationship even real? Very honestly, we don't know if they have broken up or not because they have not said anything. But the pattern we are seeing, it is not random. A long relationship, many ups and downs, and now sudden silence. This usually means something has changed. Sometimes two people love each other, but still they are not able to make the relationship peaceful. They fight, they come back, they leave, they return again, and slowly it becomes a loop, not just love, but also habit, fear of leaving, fear of starting again. So maybe this is not just about a breakup. Maybe this is about a relationship that people don't know how to leave. And the real question is it love or just something they got used to? What do you think? Did they break up or is this just another phase? Tell me in the comments.
Thank you for watching, girlies.